for this year. So now we're heading to our first stop, which is yung travel tax counter. And we're going to settle our tax first before we make tila. We're done paying our travel tax. So it's 1,620. So for a total of 3,240 since dalawa kami mag-travel. After this, we're going to look if anong oras yung open counters. Let's go! We already saw kung saan kami designated na counter for bag check-in. I mean, check-in counter. Alright, so ngayon, we're gonna print our boarding pass. And then siguro after ito, pati yung ano na rin, baggage tag, no? So open counters na kasi ngayon yung flight for Hong Kong. So dalawa. We got our printed boarding pass, but I think we will still get the one that we're going to show sa immigration. And nakapag-print na rin kami ng baggage tag namin, which is tayo ng assistance para sure tayo bago natin ilagay sa check-in baggage natin. So, open na yung counters at around 12:02 AM. Kahit 5:40 AM pa ang departure time. Check-in ng baggage. So we already got our boarding pass. And then what's next? We're going to meet our family na nag-aantay sa amin before kami umalis at mag-proceed sa immigration. Hi mga Kaz!
Hi Kaz! Hi Kaz!
Thank you nga pala sa pagsama sa amin, sa paghatid sa airport.
See you tomorrow, Kaz!
See you! Ayan, so we're going to immigration na kami. Naway makapasa kami sa mga itatanong ng immigration sa amin. Bye-bye na kayo guys. Kaz, bye! See you after how many days? 5 days. Ayan na, inantay nila kami hanggang sa nagpas kami sa immigration. Ngayon, we're going to our designated gate. No, departure gate. Ayan, mukha akong may tindahan ngayon sa background ko. So guys, we have decided to have a quick snack since apparently from now, no, meron pa kaming 3 hours before our departure time. So we decided to buy some noodles, cup noodles sa akin. And then sa sister ko naman, siopaw and then ramen din. Mild spicy yung kanya. Done with our quick snack na napatagal ng konti kasi para tayo ano ba to? Natunga nga saglit. Pero now, after namin mag-snack, lilipat na namin yung ibang buhat namin sa aming bag dito sa hand carry baggage namin. Now, we're heading talaga ngayon sa gate namin, sa designated departure gate. So, ayun, kukuha muna sa sister ko ng water, mag-refill. So, meron naman ditong water refilling station. So, pwede kang magdala ng sarili mong bottle as long as empty. No? Kung ipapasok nyo from outside to the airport. Story lang tayo sa nangyari. Or questions kanina sa immigration. No? The process itself. Nangyari, pinapila na kami sa foreign passport. Mas konti lang kasi yung pila doon. Mas mahaba kasi na sa Philippine passport holders. Then, mas nauna yung sister ko sa akin na tanongin or tawagin. No? Hiningi sa kanya syempre yung passport niya with a boarding pass. And ask some questions. 2 questions lang ba sa'yo? First question.
Sino mo na yung kasama mo?
Magkasunod lang naman kami dun kanina. So, nasa likod lang ako.
Second question, student or employee?
Sana all pinagkakamalang student, no? Pero yung on her case, akala ko natagalan siya. Pero may narinig na ako una pa lang na may nag-stamp na. Yung pasado ka na.
After niya may stamp yung sa passport.
Tapos nung ako naman next, tinanong sa akin, sister mo siya? Sabi ko, opo. Halata naman siguro sa mukha namin. Kasi sa check-in baggage pa lang, check-in counter pa lang, pinagkamalan na kaming twins. Second question, sa work daw ba ako? So because assistant unit manager, licensed financial advisor sa Bullet UK. Tapos yun, okay na, thank you. Ganun. So pumili na kami sa customs. Ayun guys, kahit hindi sa amin hiningi yung e-travel declaration form na fill out natin online, still, papetuhin nyo pa rin siya. Kasi we'll never know kung ma-tsempuhan kayo, nahingan kayo nun, hindi kayo prepared. Better be ready na lang always. Nag-prepare pa rin kami ng mga documents that they might ask from us, which is yung COE, leave of absence letter from the company. And then, dinala na rin natin yung company ID. Yung passport namin, of course, yun, return ticket. Kung tanungin man kami sa itinerary, we can show it to them kasi she prepared for it. Purpose ng trip talaga na to is, syempre, leisure or vacation and then to celebrate my sister's birthday sa Hong Kong. We'll be staying sa Hong Kong for like 5 days, 4 nights. Already prepared na rin yung mga places or destinations na pupuntahan namin and book na rin sa Klook yung mga activities na gagawin namin. So, para wala na kaming iisipin and if you want to make your trip or travel smooth, better kung mabook nyo na siya ahead of time or para at least maximize nyo yung time sa kada araw na nagstay kayo sa other country. Then better din kung alam nyo or updated kayo sa current weather ng bansang pupuntahan nyo, so paghandaan nyo kung ano yung dadalhin yung drinks or outfit doon sa pupuntahan yung destination. Okay, we're finally boarding now. So we are given a seat na may obligasyon tayo, guys. So we were positioned or we were seated sa emergency exit. So dapat ready tayong mag-help sa mga co-passengers natin in case na may emergency. Alright, let's go! Nagsimula ng aming operation. So this is electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones. And yung pinapabasa nila, if you take the responsibility na tumulong in case na may emergency. Very spacious legroom. Yun nga lang may obligasyon. Charot. Pero okay lang. We're about to take off right now. So ang estimated duration ng travel are around 1 hour and 26 minutes or kasi hindi abot ng 2 hours. So, see you there. See you, Hong Kong. So we're finally here at Hong Kong International Airport. We arrived exactly at 7:55. Pero currently it's already 8:10 or 8:11 a.m. And we're on our way to the immigration and after the customs. So let's immigration cleared na kami. And now we're going to proceed sa Belt 9 to claim our baggage. And may isang nagwo-work dito sa airport na kababae natin na Filipino, right? Reminded us na still wear face mask pa rin kasi may COVID pa rin daw dito since May, no? Mataas pa rin yung number ng may mga COVID. So I suggest you guys na wear kayo ng face mask or magbaon kayo when you're gonna have your trip here para to be safe na rin. just to withdraw money, and then we're gonna claim the eSIM that we just booked on Klook. So, ayan guys, nahanap na namin yung Bank of China. Nasa likod lang siya ng elevator. So, mag-withdraw tayo ngayon using yung GoTime. Sabi nila okay daw ito pag gagamitin mo international. And hindi daw malaki yung charge. So, we'll see guys. First time using my GoTime card. Kumuha ako noon para lang dito sa trip na to. Kasi they said it's very convenient to use this card. Savings. Please select service. We have already bought our octopus ticket here at this counter. We just paid 200 HKD per card. So, 150 yung load niya and then 50 yung deposit. So, pag bumalik ka dito and then when you return this card, makukuha mo yung 50 HKD mo. Punta lang kayo sa counter na ganito. So, ano bang hinahanap-hanap ng lahat? Pag when it comes to food na budget-friendly, syempre, ano? 7-Eleven! Seconds, okay na. So here's what we bought for our breakfast. Steamed rice with chicken and mushroom. Para at least may energy kami mamaya kailangan mag-rice. And what's this? Tuna roll ba to? And then hakaw. I think shrimp yung nasa loob. Finally guys, after a few hours, na-find out din namin kung paano i-register yung eSIM. So right now, we're going to our hotel via bus. So now we're gonna find out kung saan ngayon yung bus terminal. Finally, we made it, no? 5 minutes na lang, and then the bus will go na. 8:11 yung number ng bus, going to our hotel. It's gonna be 6 stops, and then from the bus stop na pagbababaan namin, meron pa kaming 10-minute walk na gagawin. So, super paguran to, pero I know we're gonna make it. And then, it's really enjoying, I think, na makaride. And finally, nandito na kami sa labas, nakalanghap na ng Hong Kong Air. So, hindi na kami ewan po guys, since double-decker bus ko, hindi na kami po sa taas para mabantayan din namin yung bags namin here. Buti may tumulong sa amin na isang resident here para mainakit yung bag namin na pabagal. And so, update namin kayo later. So, dyan kami galing to here. So, super pinaikot pa kami ni Google Maps. Stressed kami right now. Super haggard, super pagod. Pero we made it here in Mina Central because of our one kababayan who helped us to carry our luggage. Guys, we will update you later about sa pag-check-in namin. And it's around 1 PM pa lang, no? So, I'm not sure if pwede mag-early check-in, pero we're gonna ask them. Hi guys! We're gonna head out na, going to some of our destinations. Actually, pinaunti na lang namin para at least mas ma-access pa namin yung dalawang pupuntahan namin today, which is yung Hong Kong Park and then yung Victoria Peak, right? So, see you there guys later. Currently walking on our way to Hong Kong Park. Para rin pala siyang Korea. Parang yung mga buildings dito is parang sa South Korea. Parang nakatayo sa taas ng bundok. And parang kami, alam mo yun, expert sa pagma-mountaineering. So, magkalapit lang pala ang Hong Kong Park at ang Victoria. So, ito yung Madame Tussauds na bumili ng ticket. So, haba ng pila ngayon.
Pero malapit na rin naman. Nakabili na kami ng ticket for like $136. Yeah, $136 with Sky Terrace. Entrance na siya.
A long line, no? Pero look at it, guys. Look at this, guys. It's really beautiful. The view is really good on the right side, no? I think we have already reached the big so we're gonna eat here and enjoy the view. Souvenir items siya pagkalabas ng big. Made it! Are you happy?
Yes. Super ganda ng view.
Bakit pa tayo for the Sky Terrace, guys? Hindi ganun kahaba. Akala namin super haba ng pila kanina. Then as you can see here, nandito rin si Madame Tussauds. Here! Ito. Ayan. So hindi pa to guys yung sky view. Pero ang ganda na nakikita natin dito sa taas. Wow. Napaka-peaceful na tignan, pero dito sa loob, ang daming tao. Bought this for only 25 HK. Around 184 pesos. Sulit na. Kasi nasa ibang bansa ka, so expect it's more expensive. It's for free, so let's try it. We're on the way sa pinaka-tuk-tuk na to.
Sky Terrace.
Sky Terrace.
You got me shaking from the caffeine. Oh, vanilla sweetness like I'm 16. I'm up for you like I forgot to. I know it's burning hot, but I could pour myself a dozen cups. Yeah, my coffee. How to make my heart skip on the beat.
So there's another view here. We just got down. Siguro mga ilang baba tayo? Tatlo? Apat. And then we went here sa may exit na sign. Along sa may free attraction na meron dito. And then as you can see here is the erase. Same sa taas. Pero mas okay syempre sa taas. Pero dito, okay pa rin pero less crowded siya. And then hindi siya masyadong madilim. No? Let's go and eat our dinner. We're gonna ride going to Central on our way home to our hotel. Hi guys, super pagod. Buti hindi kami nagkamali ng baba from the bus. So bumaba kami sa may Central Station and now we're going to cross the street para pumunta doon. And we're gonna try this route this time. Kasi kanina dito kami umakyat, mas napalayo. Dito. Yeah. Going back to our hotel. Nakakapagod na, nakakahilo na, nakakasuka. Paikot-ikot yung bus doon sa coming from Pictram. Tapos pababa, paikot-ikot. And then hindi ko maintindihan yung way ng pagdadrive nila because Di ba pag tayo, kunyari, dito tayo sa right lane lang, siya palipat-lipat, no? Sabi ko, feeling ko, hindi pa makakabangga to. Ay. Ito na. Lumigo kami dito para dito ma-akit namin tong may Spanish restaurant. Maliit pa siya guys eh, pero pakita ko sa inyo dito. Mali kami nakakit kanina, pero this time we're gonna use this stairs dito. Kami galing kanina, dapat dito. So, ayan, kita na siya. Ayan na. Here's the hotel and the address. Ice House Street. And here is it, guys.